Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you a really simple way how you can earn some extra money online, and it's via collecting emails. Now this is really simple. You do not need a website for this, you don't need any email lists, you don't need any experience, and this is available worldwide. And in this video I'm going to show you this step by step. I'll show you the websites that you need to use to go ahead and earn this money, and then I'll show you exactly how to promote these different offers, and I'll show you the process of simply earning some extra money by following along. Now, before we jump into the video, if this is the first time you're on the channel, hello and welcome. On the screen, this is one of my blogs, and I blog and I upload videos to YouTube about making money online and working from home. Now, over here where it says awesome stuff, I've got a members area in here. We've got some free PDFs, we've got courses, we've got eBay books, we've got Amazon books, we've got Teespring courses, and it's all free. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and check out this members area, and I'll drop a link to that below for you. But there's lots of cool stuff in there to start making some extra money online, and they're all free. So like most things, it's all free that I share. So let's go ahead and have a look at today's video. So this website here I'm on, it's called Max Bounty, and I've just come into the campaigns page on here, and again I'll drop a link to this below for you. But you can see on here I've come into Max Bounty, and I've gone into the campaign search, and I've just typed in email submit. So it's really simple to do. So you join Max Bounty, you click on search campaigns, and you just type in email submit. And then what's going to happen is it brings up all of these different campaigns here, and then it shows you the type of campaign, and then it shows you how much you will earn per lead. So you can go through these and you can find anything that you want to start promoting and sharing. And there's lots on here. So you can see on here we've got win an iPhone X, we've then got win £1,000 Visa card. You've then got other things on here. So you've got like stuff related to Fortnite. You've then got more stuff down here. You've got family plans. You've got car, low income car help. There's so many different things on here that you can go ahead and promote. So what you do is you would come through here and you would find some of these different ones. So we've just clicked on this one here, so get an iPhone X. So it opens up in a new tab for you, and it shows you exactly what it is. So you can see here this one says you cannot send them any YouTube traffic, so that's absolutely fine. So how this works is you will earn $1.60 for every person that you send over to this company and fill in an email form, and then you earn $1.60. You see here it's capped at 300 actions a day, so you can't send more than 300 people. Well, you can't have 300 people fill in this form a day. Any more than 300, then you won't earn after that. But realistically, getting 300 people to fill this form in a day, you're going to be earning some decent money from doing so. But if we just come here and we scroll down to the bottom of the page, you can, in fact, let me go back here. So if you wanted to have a look at this and what the landing page looks like in a little bit more detail, where it says default landing page, if we just click on there, open this in a new tab, it will show you the page which you're promoting, or which you're going to be sending people to. So once you have your link, this will send them over to this page here. Error 1. Oh, no, sorry, that is because this is the United States. Obviously, I'm not in the United States, I'm in the UK. So let me find a UK one. Let's find a UK one. I'm going to find... There we go, get an iPhone X UK field one. So the last one that I just clicked on, because I wasn't in the US, it wouldn't show up for me. So let's try this one here. This is the UK one. Now, like I said, don't worry about this, because there's campaigns available in every single country. You just need to find one that you're eligible to go ahead and promote. So this one here, again, it's very similar. I earn $1.60 for this iPhone X, no YouTube traffic. If I scroll down the page, I'm going to click on here, default landing page. Let's go ahead and have a look at this default landing page. And then basically this is the page that you're going to send people to, and I'll show you how you get your link for this, and I'll show you where you can go and promote this. And again, it's really simple, it's really easy. All it's going to take is a little bit of time just going through this and promoting it. So this here, do you want the hottest new iPhone? So this is the page here, you can see it. Let me just get rid of this up here, hide message. So this here is question 1 of 3. So you're going to send people over to this landing page here. They answer these 3 questions on here. They've put in their name and their email, and then you earn $1.60 for every single person that you send over to this page here. So that's it. It really is as simple as that. So if you wanted to promote this one here, to do this, it's really simple. You scroll down to the bottom of the page here. Keep going down to the bottom where it says creative type, and then you select the one you want. So because we don't have a website or anything like that, you're just going to click on search and then go down a little bit further, and then where it says description, you're going to click on get tracking code. So that there is your code, that is your tracking code. So you would go ahead now and share that, and then wherever you share that, if anybody was to click on there and go through and answer those 3 questions, you then earn $1.60 for doing so. So now you've got your link. How we're going to go ahead and promote that? Well, the easiest way to go and do this is over on Facebook in different groups. So I'm on Facebook here, and you can see on here I've just typed in competitions and giveaways, and there's so many of these different pages available where you can go ahead and share. So you can see it like this one here, share all giveaways, sweepstakes and contests. You know, this is a great group for getting social. Feel free to post any and all legit giveaways. So you can go in here and you can post your giveaway in here. There's another one here, there's another one. You can see there's just so many of these different competitions and giveaway pages where you can simply take your link from here, go over into this Facebook page, and you can just drop your link in here. The only thing I would say is just double check before you go into the groups, because some of these groups, they don't allow you just to randomly join up and just drop a link. What you'll need to do is you'll need to go in and, you know, be active and be social in that group before you start dropping your links in there. But a lot of these groups, they do allow you just to join and then go in and look. Again, feel free to share any competitions. You've got another one here. Hi and welcome, you know, again, free, be sharing the free entries every single day. So there's lots of these different groups on Facebook where you can get your link and you can just simply go in, drop your link over to this, and then for everyone who goes over to this landing page, answers these questions, puts in their name and email, you're going to earn $1.60. Now, there's another way that you could do this. So this here is going and joining other people's Facebook groups. Now, what you could do, and I've seen this recently, is, let me give you another example of this. So if I go on here, I'm going to click on quick search campaign. I'm just going to click on survey, and I'll show you this. Let me just go ahead and click on survey. And this is going to bring up any survey companies on here where they're going to pay you for sending, again, same process, they will pay you for sending people over to their survey or their landing page, and then you will earn money for everyone that you send over there. So you see here, like I've just typed in survey, you can see how much money you're going to earn for every single lead on here. And again, this is split out between US, Canada, UK, Australia. There's lots and lots of different countries on here. You can see this is just page 1 of page 4, but there's some really good money to be made on these online surveys here. So what you could do is, I mean, again, you could go ahead and just find survey groups and then potentially drop your links in. But something what I've seen recently on here is, let me type in hang on, survey, which one was that? I saw one recently where somebody had, Survey Goblin, I think it was. Somebody had basically, I think it was this one. They've basically gone ahead, they've created their own survey group. This is the one here. They've created their own survey group, and then they're inviting people into there, and then this group's just growing organically. And then what's happening in here is they're just going ahead and they're sharing surveys that they found here, and they're just getting the links from here and they're putting them into the survey group in here. And then people within this group are obviously going ahead, they're taking the surveys, they're filling in the details, and they're earning money for doing so. So let me just scroll down here, come down, and I'll find a few more in here for you. But again, this is another, it's just a really simple way to make some extra money. It's absolutely free. All it will take on your behalf is a little bit of time. But in terms of for quickness and speed, you can simply just go ahead and join the different groups related to the product that you're promoting. Or you can go ahead, like this group here, like Caitlin's done in this group here, you can go ahead, you can create your own group related to a topic, and then you can post whatever you want in here, and you don't need to worry about being kicked out of any groups for adding links and dropping links in there. It's a really simple way to do this. And this group here, I'm pretty certain they'll be making some decent money from here, because they've got quite a few members in here, and all they're doing here is they're doing exactly what I've shown you in this video. They've gone over to Max Bounty or a similar platform. They've got the links for all of these different survey sites. This is how much they're going to be earning for them. And then they're just simply dropping those links into here for people to go ahead and take the online surveys, and then they get paid for doing so. It really is as simple as that. It's free, it's easy, and it's available worldwide. So that is enough for today's video. If you have any questions whatsoever, please leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.